Wednesday, June 22nd, 2016. And at the Ogbonge television station, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of GoTV cable nationwide, Wazobia Max HF 57, Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and www.wazobiatv.tv/live on top of internet, anywhere where you do inside this Obodo the world. This is not the Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show. As it is hot, we tell you say every weekday from 10 to 11 don't turn Christmas. Sake of say all the action to do where they come and smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry them, drop them down, discuss the matter, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk them the way the team be for body so that those when they lead us go hear word, do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezo Gochekwote, and as usual I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother Wayne Sabuel as they concern the political matter as it is hot.
Yes, just as my brother Chuku, they don't talk a beautiful Wednesday to our wonderful viewers where they watch us right now. We don't carry that same Ogbonge program. Come now again as it is hot. That political program where they sunshine out different political activities that they happen for Nigeria. Today we're going to go different, an interesting story now will carry come. And by the time we go open our phone lines for now to call, I will know say yes, true. This matter we'll go talk today. Now very serious and we'll go at least we'll go need collective voices because now the way forward now we already crave for. Me not be in mind say we get 3 solid telephone line for now 1 to 3 line. Don't free line we say that we'll call. Now go talk, now go express ourselves. But when they reach for the payment, me not leave that one for us, go take care of that one. My name has to change. My name is Nkubi, and this is now As It Is Hot.
We don't go waste time, we will go straight into the one who carry come. And everybody know what's in the trend inside the Nigerian political WWE based on WrestleMania things. It got to do with the governor of Ekiti State, Governor Peter The Rock Ayodele Fayose, and the EFCC. Everybody knows say yesterday he got some kind drama when enter inside the whole equation based on say earlier on Monday he been go bank, say make him go do withdrawal based on the information going on the year. As he reach there now, the person when they did desk got to say, Mr. Governor, sir, it's like you know if he explain to the governor based on say they say the governor they vex quick. The governor come to say, can I see your manager, please? They come call the manager. The manager come to say, Mr. Governor, it's like the EFCC they have frozen your account based on say you know if you put anything inside, you know if you come out anything inside. He go ask them say why. They come to say say they talk say he get some kind of investigation when they do. Say it be like say but he come talk say okay, make they put them for writing, make him know because based on the Constitution of Nigeria, the 1999 Constitution, he get immunity from any kind of thing when get to do with say court case and everything like that. But they come talk say na investigation with this matter and this one follow for that particular process. On top of us in the hot this morning, we ask the question say, shall this one na prosecution or persecution? Na two different things. When we start the discussion as in the hot, you self go know the way we say the matter. They go, Nkubi, you have the floor.
Yes, thank you very much, Chukwudi, for also
Don't thank me for see, you know, you see why I wear black and black. Everything black with a touch of blue.
With a person
with a touch of blue. Because I want to address this issue. You can't thank me.
Mourn the situation. Because waiting there for the action where EFCC carry out.
Waiting there wrong.
Don't they have the right? According to their own constitution as well. Section 34 of the EFCC right. They get the right to freeze any account where they want freeze. As long as that same immunity clause also hold the political office on ground. See, please, let me address this what I do. I'll to address it. But meanwhile, make water break.
You will not escape this thing today. You will not escape it.
Don't tell me I will not escape
it. I will deal with you. Will see it. Let's go back for this.
I'll go bring it.
Wazobia Max HF 57, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of GoTV cable and www.wazobiatv.tv/live. Now the Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show as it is hot. As they discuss the action to the way they trend inside Nigeria political boxing ring based on the EFCC versus the governor of Ekiti State Ayodele Fayose prosecution or persecution. Nkubi, he good as you take that break.
I was saying
no, he good as you take that break.
That break was called for.
Because you wanted to escape. Because
if I hadn't called the break,
I threw something to you. You tell me say, Chukwudi, thank you. Why are you thanking me rather than addressing the issue?
An issue to
Why are you thanking me rather than addressing the issue?
I will throw something to you. Give you the floor to talk. Please.
You can't come here and tell us say, don't they have the right to? Don't they have the right to?
Respect my personality.
The EFCC.
Respect my personality. Let us address this.
Establishing the EFCC. Is there any act in Nigeria that is greater than the Constitution of the land?
As long as
the Constitution of the land.
As long as the EFCC has an act, a right to investigate anybody. If you like making the governor, if you like making the president, As long as they have the right, let them go ahead and freeze any account.
Thank you very much. No, thank you very much.
But then,
you have shot yourself in the foot.
As long as there is an immunity clause, there is an immunity clause attached to the Constitution of Nigeria. Fine. That states the following. That states that they don't get the right to carry the person to go court. They don't get the right to do it. They don't get the right to talk further on the matter. They don't get the right to even say they want to arrest the person. Fine. We understand that. But then, make them carry the investigation. If they see elements of truth in the investigation, at least after it, no. Court could they wait for them. Arrest could they wait for them. It's as simple as that.
This thing not be permutation, not be Papa Jebu who they play. This is common sense.
What you're saying is,
societies are governed by laws.
Because we get
there's no way we say we will get constitution. When you go dribble the constitution of the land, the constitution guarantees everything that we do in this country. If section 308 of the constitution guarantees immunity for a governor, you cannot do anything. Now you come and tell me say the act establishing the EFCC talk say they fit do investigation. The Constitution of the land, section 308, subsection 1, article 8 of the 1999 Constitution states clearly that the governor has immunity.
Every other constitution.
What do they talk now?
As long as there is a section of the constitution attached to EFCC, let them go ahead.
What do they talk now?
And as long as
every other law in Nigeria is subject to the Constitution of the land. The Constitution is supreme. The Constitution is supreme.
But that will not stop.
How can you flout what is enshrined in the Constitution? You want to flout what is enshrined in the Constitution? It's not possible. The act establishing the EFCC 26 to 34. Talk and clearly. You can investigate anybody. But section 308, subsection 1, article 8 of the 1999 Constitution is clear. You cannot, and I repeat, you cannot, because of immunity, person gets immunity, you won't break up. No be the first time.
What are you saying?
No be the first time the EFCC.
What are you saying?
The only way you can investigate the governor and freeze his account is if you have a valid court order. EFCC get valid court order. Do they have a valid court order? When they collect this order, when did they collect this order? This is a clear case of political quadratic equation. It is a clear case of political algebra. It is a clear case of political Pythagoras theorem. It is a clear case of political board mass.
Thank you very much.
Because of saying the opposition, because of saying the talk, almighty formula, this is what you are trying to do. The thing when the Messi they do defenders, let me now do here. You are subject to the laws of the land. We are all subject to the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended. It guarantees immunity for the governor. Why will you go ahead and flout the Constitution? How is it possible?
Play around the same Constitution. This immunity Constitution will protect the right of our leaders. Chukudi. This thing, as we stand on this ground, EFCC, as a body that fights corruption, should also follow their own due process. What they talk?
You cannot.
Abeg, let us go for another break.
You cannot appeal to the conscience.
Let us go for a break, young man.
You cannot appeal to the conscience.
We are going for a break. We are going for a break.
You cannot appeal to the conscience.
Let us go for this break by yourself.
You must address issue.
Go this break. Let me go for this break. Will you come?
You must address issue.
I will not address anything. I have addressed it already. I have addressed it. I'm not running away from anything. I'm not running away from anything.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.